Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
All we've been told thus far is that an investigation into Jon Fernandez was launched after a student came forward accusing him of texting her an inappropriate message. The results of that investigation, or so we thought, led to the termination of his contract 2 weeks ago. GEB's legal counsel Gary Gumatau, however, confirms the final investigation report involved much more than just allegations of a student, but a complaint filed by a teacher 3 years ago. So she filed a sexual harassment complaint against Jon Fernandez around 2013. Was she fired?
Yes.
As we reported, the investigation involves violations of Title IX, which relates to cases of sexual harassment and sexual assault in school systems. Gumatau confirms the 2013 incident and the complaint made by the student were part of 5 examples of Title IX violations included in the Bill of Particulars provided to Fernandez's attorney, David Lujan. Meanwhile, the termination of Fernandez's contract has been met with public outcry from students who have launched a Save Our Superintendent movement, to the halls of Adelup, where Governor Eddie Calvo has called for the resignation of his 3 appointed board members, 2 of whom have since stepped down. The governor has gone so far as claiming politics were involved. His chief policy advisor, Troy Torres, goes so far as alleging Bernadette Stern-Meno leaked the investigation report to the media. Attorney Gumatau confirms she was involved with the investigation, but denies she leaked the report to the media.
No, we didn't leak any of that. My contention has been one of the board members did. I said that from the beginning.
Okay, but she does work at your office.
What's that?
But she does work at your office.
She does work for me sometimes.
Meno is a longtime former investigative journalist. She worked for former Governor Felix Camacho, campaigned for Gumatau in 2014 when he ran for lieutenant governor with former Governor Carl Gutierrez. She also has a pending case before the Civil Service Commission related to her termination from the Port Authority several years ago. And according to the legislature's latest staffing pattern, she currently works for Senator Frank Blas Jr.
Of course they're going to say that. They hate her. They're the ones that got her fired at the board.
Let's face it, this was a whole politically hatched, politically botched event against Jon Fernandez.
Torres said this may be because Fernandez was eyed to run in the next gubernatorial election. Regardless of who may have leaked the report, no one really knows why Fernandez's contract was terminated. He is currently still being paid to be on administrative leave until the process is completed. He has been provided a bill of particulars outlining the reasons for his termination, and a public hearing, which is required, has not yet been scheduled. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Isa Baza.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.